Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today we are continuing our ninth chapter, It's Raining. In the previous class, we studied the importance of rain, benefits of rain, and the problems of heavy rain. Previous class we studied rain is very important for all living things. Without rain, we cannot survive. Now, here we have a poem. The title of the poem is Clouds. Let's read. Fair and white, grey and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Elephants and horses, dogs and fawns. Sometimes they look like a pair of swans. In moments they come, in moments they go. Sometimes they freeze and for weeks they stay. And sometimes they disappear for many days. Sometimes they pour, sometimes they thunder, spreading their colors in a rainbow of wonder. And sometimes they hail, pelting the ground, breaking the glass in the ringing chimes. In this poem, poet wants to tell about the clouds. First, he discussed about the colors of clouds. Have you seen the different colors of clouds? Sometimes we can see white clouds, sometimes grey clouds, sometimes black, sometimes red, isn't it? We can see clouds in different colors. And then the poet discussed about the different shapes of clouds. Sometimes we can see clouds in the shape of horse. And sometimes the clouds look like swan and fawns. Look here, this cloud is look like swan and this cloud is look like a fawn. Fawn means small deer. So poet is saying sometimes the clouds look like horse, sometimes the clouds look like dog, sometimes swan, sometimes fawn. We can also see these shapes. What is this? It's look like a rabbit, isn't it? And this is elephant. And you can see here a rocket and horse. So there are different shapes of clouds we can see. And do you know, children, what do the clouds do? Do you know? Clouds pour, hail, snow, and sometimes they thunder. Do you know what is pour? Pour means precipitate or fall as rain. So, what do the clouds do? Clouds fall like rain, hail, or snow, and sometimes they thunder. Sometimes we can hear the sound of thundering, isn't it? Do you know what is thundering? How does a thunder occurs? Sometimes there occurs lightning and thundering with rain. Let's check how does it occurs. So what is thundering? It means two clouds collide with each other. When two clouds collide with each other, thunder occurs. You can see here two clouds and they are colliding with each other and then the lightning and thundering occurs. So when the two big clouds collide with each other, thunder occurs. So how does a thunder occurs? When two big clouds collide with each other, thunder occurs. And then poet is saying about the beautiful rainbow. Sometimes clouds spreads many colors. That is rainbow. How many colors does a rainbow have? Yes, 7 colors. Which are that colors? Yes, those colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. You can see in this picture, isn't it? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And when does a rainbow occurs? Rainbow occurs after the rain. And sometimes you may see hail. What is hail? Big pieces of ice. That is hail. Sometimes cloud precipitate in the form of ice blocks. That is hail. Aliparam. In Malayalam we call Aliparam. They sound like a ringing chimes when they fall on the ground. So sometimes clouds precipitate in the form of ice blocks that is called hail. Now we have some questions here. You want to answer these questions. The poet saw many things in the cloud. Have you ever seen anything in the cloud? What? So here you want to write your own answers. You may see any animals in the cloud. So you have to write that here. Next one, what all do the clouds do? Clouds fall as rain, hail or snow, and sometimes they even thunder. Next question, have you ever seen a rainbow? Yes, of course I have seen a rainbow. When you can see a rainbow? We can see a rainbow only after rain. So you have to write your own answer here. Next question, how do you feel when it rains? What do you feel when it rains? Yes, we feel very happy. But if there is excess of rain, we will not feel happy. Apart from clouds, what do you see when it rains? What do you can see when it rains? Yes, we can see lightning and thunder. So these all we studied today. I hope all of you understood. We will see again in the next class. Thank you.